This living room costs 12,000. This one costs 800. Spot the difference? Amazon has everything top designers charge thousands for. You just need to know what to search. The secret is a neutral base, intentional texture, and one rule designers never break. I styled homes professionally for years. These Amazon finds change my entire approach. By the end of this video, your home will look like a design magazine. Every designer home starts with a neutral base: cream, oat, warm white, your foundation. Linen and bouclé textures instantly read as expensive at a fraction of the cost. Search Bouclé accent chair ivory on Amazon. Pieces that look straight from CB2. Rugs ground any room. Always size up. Furniture legs should sit on the rug. Layer a smaller jute rug on top for that designer layered look you see everywhere. Curtains make or break a room. Hang them high and wide. Most people get this wrong. Search linen curtain panels 108 inches. Hanging high makes ceilings look double the height. Lighting changes everything. A sculptural floor lamp does more than any other single piece. Search Arc Floor Lamp Gold. Pair it with a warm filament bulb for instant ambiance. Swap overhead bulbs for warm 2700 Kelvin smart bulbs immediately. Lighting temperature is everything. A large architectural mirror makes any room look bigger and more intentional instantly. Search Arched Floor Mirror Gold Frame. Lean it against the wall. Never hang it. Coffee table styling is an art. One tall, one mid, one low. Always odd numbers. Add a tray to your coffee table. It makes simple objects look curated and deliberate. Vases are highest value per dollar on Amazon. Search Fluted Ceramic Vase Cream now. You do not need expensive flowers. Dried pampas grass is timeless and zero maintenance. Throw pillows should mix two textures and one pattern: linen, bouclé, subtle stripe. The chop is your best friend. Karate chop the pillow top for that luxury hotel look. Candles signal luxury instantly. Search concrete candle vessel or ceramic jar candle. A sculptural object gives a room soul. Search abstract resin sculpture for affordable pieces. Bookshelves are a design opportunity most people waste. Remove every dust jacket immediately. Stack books horizontally to create a shelf for a small object on top. Very curated. Plants are non-negotiable. A fiddle leaf fig elevates any empty corner immediately. Search large ceramic plant pot cream. A beautiful pot transforms any basic plant instantly. Rattan and cane are designer darlings right now. A cane side table adds instant warmth. Rattan baskets are the most functional, stylish Amazon purchase you can make. Buy 3. The entryway sets your home's entire tone. Console table, mirror, lamp. That is it. Search entryway console table narrow. Under 40 inches deep. Proportions matter enormously. Your bedroom should feel like a 5-star hotel. It starts with layering your bedding. Fitted sheet, flat sheet, then a linen duvet. Add a chunky knit throw for texture. Bedside tables should be at mattress height. Search rattan bedside table for something textural. Scent is the invisible layer of interior design. A diffuser or linen spray changes everything. Gallery walls on a budget are possible. Search minimalist line art and print at Walgreens. Always use matching frames. Mismatched frames fight each other. Uniform frames look intentional. The kitchen is an ignored design space. Clear your counters, then add back 3 things. Decant pantry staples into matching glass jars. This single step transforms a kitchen completely. A wood cutting board against the backsplash doubles as decor. Functional and beautiful. Your bathroom can look like a spa for under $50. Here is what to buy. Replace your plastic soap dispenser with a ceramic one. $5, 10 times the impact. Travertine accessories are everywhere right now. Search travertine marble tray for affordable pieces. Dining tables need a centerpiece moment. Wooden bowl, dried botanicals, taper candles. Done. Taper candles and brass holders are the easiest dining upgrade. Under $15 on Amazon. The home office matters more than ever. A desk lamp. a plant, one piece of art, your full Amazon shopping list, Bouclé chair, arc lamp, linen curtains, arch mirror, vases. Your home should tell your story. The budget does not matter. The intention does.